A plush mattress with support and benefits of a way more expensive mattress. That's the way I would describe the Oxford Plush. This is a really great plush mattress with edge-to-edge springs and excellent support for your back. So when we start talking about a mattress that won't break the bank, I am telling you right now, this is the one. This is very reasonably priced. It has the benefits and the features of a way more expensive mattress. And you would think that they'd be cutting corners, but they're not. What you're seeing here is the same edge-to-edge springs that you would expect from all our Englander mattresses of 2025. You're even getting a sheet of memory foam on here. So where are they cutting corners? They're actually not. The cover is a good Tencel breathable cover. I already told you there's memory foam. There is a high density foam that is keeping you from sinking into the mattress too far, so there is plenty of support. Really, I couldn't tell you where they're cutting the corners. This is a really well-priced mattress with some pretty good features for the price. This is the part of the video where I demonstrate back, side, and stomach sleeping on the Oxford Plush. I can tell you just by laying here, this is a really plush bed. I know I keep repeating this, but there are no corners cut to make this a very affordable mattress. So let's start with side sleeping. I've been laying here a while, and what I feel is a mattress that is quite comfortable. It's strange because I can tell it's a little bit more bouncy than the mattresses that have more than one comfort foam. So there is a difference. Like, you can definitely feel that there's a little bit more bounciness because it's got one comfort foam, and that does give you a little bit more feedback from the springs. But I'm extremely comfortable. There's a trade-off for sure. The trade-off has nothing to do with support or nothing to do with comfort. It's just you experience slight more bounciness because there's only one comfort foam. As far as side sleeping, this is extremely comfortable. Okay, let's try back sleeping. Again, I've been laying here for a little bit. I know I'm cutting away, but in between that time, I'm laying here trying to make up my mind on things and how to word it. It's very soft, surprisingly so, knowing the construction of it. I've already shown you the construction of it. It's very soft for that construction. I'm going to tell you, I can feel how the sides are way firmer than the center. So the edge-to-edge springs on this particular model, I can definitely feel. There are no pressure points. With it being a plush, I expect to dip in, but I'm not dipping in. I actually feel like I'm being held pretty straight. It's a very comfortable bed. Zero complaints for back sleeping. So, stomach sleeping. I've already been laying here for a little bit. Again, I'm cutting away on this one because it's very hard for me to put into words what I'm feeling. I'm feeling a superb mattress, and I'm trying to figure out where they cut corners so that way we could have the price that we have on the Oxford. I don't feel the corners being cut. I hate to disappoint you. If you're looking for a objective review on this, I can tell you it is super comfortable, but I don't have any information or any feel as to where they cut the corners to make this so affordable. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. Even stomach sleeping, on a plush, you would expect me to sink in, but no, there's no pressure points. Even, you know how I use my rotator cuffs as a test on this? I'm not dipping in so far that I feel my rotator cuffs in a negative position. I feel like my lumbar's straight. I may be wrong. Yeah, I'm super comfortable stomach sleeping on this plush as well. So I'm finding it really hard to review this for you in a very objective manner because I came into this review looking for ways that they might have cut to make this a good price bed, a very affordable price bed, and I'm not finding it. I was super comfortable on my back, I was super comfortable on my side, and stomach sleeping was even possible on this plush. The only thing that I'm feeling different from something that's slightly more expensive or more expensive as a plush is that I can literally feel the edge to edge springs maybe stiffer than the center of the bed, and that has a lot to do with, it's one comfort foam versus several comfort foams. But as far as it being comfortable, it is super comfortable. I have nothing negative to say about this plush bed, even though I'm a firm bed person. I could sleep on this and be totally comfortable. I'm not sinking into it. Lots of support. Have no issue selling this to the majority of my customers. If this has helped you, please like it, please share it. I do these videos because I want you guys to know what's available for you, and I also want you to be educated on what to look for, even if you don't find this particular mattress and you're still watching this video to learn what to look for. Hopefully you see it in the video and it helps you buy smart and not be a victim of some of the sharky salespeople that are out there. Educate yourself and you'll get a better buy and a better investment for your dollar. Thank you so much and have a great day.